Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video class, I am going to teach you how to find square and square root of a number. So before moving to squares, let us learn basic concept of squares. Square numbers. What is the value of 1 square? 1 square is 1. And what is the value of 2 square? 2 square is 4. And what is the value of 3 square? 3 square is 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. Even 0 square 0. 0 square is 0. See the beauty of square numbers. The beauty of square numbers always ends with these digits. 0, 1, 4, 9, 6 and last is 5. Square numbers, any square number, you can take any square number. So the square numbers are always ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, the next 6 and 9. So this is the beauty of square numbers. Now I will teach you how to find square of any number. Let me take one simple example, 2-digit number. 24 square. 24 square. Here we are having 2 digits. One is 2 and another one is 4. First digit is 2, second digit is 4. The method is like this, or the procedure is like this. First digit square, 2 square. 2 square is 4. And next first digit into second digit, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 I will write like this, 16. 1 followed by 4 and 6 is in unit digit. And 4 square 16. Again 1 followed by 6, 4 square 16, 6 is in unit digit. So let me add all these numbers, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 1 5, 576. Your answer is 576. This is the one of the easiest method, and this method is applicable for all the numbers. Let me take one more number near to 100. 98 square. Square of 98. How to calculate square of 98? Here also we are having 2 digit, first digit and second digit. First digit square, 9 square is how much? 9 square is 81. And first digit into second digit. 9 8s are 72 into power. 9 8s are 72. 72 into 2. 144. 144. And last digit is 8. 8 square is 64. 4, 6 plus 4 10. 4 plus 2 6. 8 plus 1 9. So your answer is 9604. So this is one of the easiest method. So let me take one more example, the number near to 50. Let us take 42. 42 square. Here you can understand easily. See. 42 square. So these two are very small numbers. First digit square, 4 square 16. And now first digit into second digit, 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. First digit into second digit into power. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 I will write like this, 16. And the last digit square, 2 square is 4, 0 4. 4 6, 6 plus 1 7, 1. So 42 whole square answer is 1764. I know you are having one confusion here. So why you took 0 4? See, here we are having 2 digit. A square of 2 digit always having 4 digits. 42 square, 2 digit square is 1764. Always 3 or 4, either 3 or 4. 24 square, 3 digit. 98, 2 digit square, again 4 digit. 42 square, again 4 digit. That's what I took here. It is 0 4. Okay. So the answer is 1764. This is one of the easiest method to find the square of any 2-digit number. And this method is applicable for all the 2-digit numbers. Again, I am having one more method. That method is called Vedic method. So this time I will take the number near to 100. 96 square. 96 square. Here the method is different. Here I am using a Vedic method, Vedic maths method. See, 96. 96 is near to 100. Am I right? 96 is near to 100, but it is less than 100. How much less? 4 less. Am I right? So 4 less. So first step is subtract 4 from the given number. 96 minus 4 is equal to 92. 96 minus 4 is equal to 92. How much you have subtracted? 4. The square of 4 is 16. Hence your answer is 9260. Let me take one more example. 91 square. 91 square. 91 is near to 100 and less than 100. How much less? 9 less. 91 minus 9. 91 minus 9 is 82. Square of 9 is 81. 9 square is 81. Hence your answer is 8281. If a number is greater than 100, for example, what is the square of 106? 106 square. 106 square is near to 100 but greater than 100. How much greater? 6 greater. 106 plus 6 is equal to 112. 106 plus 6, 112. Why here it is addition? Because number is greater than 100. But here if number is less than 100, that's why I have subtracted 4 here. And here I have added 6 because the number is greater than 100. 106 plus 6, 112. And how much you added? 6. The square of 6 is 36. Hence your answer is 11236. One more example we can take 109 square. 109 square. 109 greater than 100 but near to 100. How much greater? 9 greater. 109 plus 9 is equal to 118. 109 plus 9, 118. How much you have added? 9. So the square of 9 is 81. Hence your answer is 11,881. Now it's the time to learn square root of any perfect square number. Dear friends, already we have learned the basic concept of squares. See, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. Okay. Along with this, one more trick I will teach you. How to calculate square of a number which should be end with 5. For example, 15 square. 15 square. So this method only applicable for a numbers which ends with 5. Square of 15 is 225. Directly we can say 225. How? First number is 1. 1 next digit 2. 1 2 is 2. 25 it as it is. Square of 25. First 25 it as it is. 2 next digit 3. 2 3 is 6. Then up to this 35. Square of 35. 5 square 25 it as it is. 3 next digit 4. 3 4 is 12 25. After this square of 45. First 25 it as it is. 4 next digit 4 5 is 20 25. The next 85. First 25 it as it is. 25. 8 next digit 9. 8 9 is 72 25. So these are the two basic concepts here. So I am having a few examples here. The first example is, what is the square root of 7921? Square root of 7921. See, 7921 lies between 80 square and 90 square. 8 square is how much? 64. Means 80 square is 6400 and 90 square 8100. So first digit is confirmed. First digit 8. First digit is 8. And two numbers ends with 1. 1 is 1. 1 square also ends with 1. And 9 square also ends with 1. 9 square 81 and 1 square is 1. So here the first digit is 8 and second digit either 1 or 9. Now it is time to 1 or 9. Square of 85. Square of 85 is how much? 8 next digit 9. 8 9s are 7225. Given number 7921 is greater than 7225. Hence your answer is 89. If the given number is less than this number, your answer is 81. If your number is less than this number 85 square, then your answer should be 81. If it is greater than this number, then your answer should be 89. So let me take one more example. 5476. 5476. 5476 lies between two numbers. One is square of 70. 70 square 4900 and square of 80. 80 square 6400. Our given number 5476 lies between 4900 and 6400. Hence the first digit is 7. First digit is 7. Square of two numbers ends with 6. One is 4 square is 16 and 6 square is 36. Square of two numbers ends with 6. 4 square and 6 square. Now it is the time to find the second digit. 70, 80. What is the square of 75? You know how to calculate 75 square. 7 next digit 8. 7 8s are 56, 25. 5476 is less than 5625. Hence your answer is 74. Square of 74 is 5476. Or square root of 5476 is 74. Let me take one more example. 3136. Square root of 3136. 3136 lies between square of two numbers. One is 50 square 2500 and 60 square 3600. See, 3136 is lies between 2500 and 3600. So our first digit is 5. Square root of this number first digit is 5. Now it is time to calculate second digit. Okay, 55 square. The value of 55 square is 5 next digit 6. 5 6 are 30. 5 square 25. 30 25. Square of 55 is 30 25. But the given number 3136 is greater than this number. Greater than this number. So your answer is 56. Hence the square of 56 is 3136. Hope you can understand this.